Okay, I have got this Greenworks AC corded power electric lawn mower. It is a 13-inch model with a string trimmer, and I bought it at Walmart for about $28 plus tax. So it was between the cheapest models. I don't have a very big lawn, as you can see over here, so I don't need cordless or a really big lawnmower. So I just bought this small model so that I can trim the excess vegetation and grass around the um, corners. So I will open this lawnmower and then I will show you how does it work. So let's open the box and see what is inside. Here is the guard, the string trimmer, and the front assembly. Basically this part is used to cut the grass. And then this is the second part that comes in the box. So there are only two things in this box. There is nothing else in here. So I could see there are a few screws over here, 3 of them, and then I need to put the guard onto this and then start the trimmer. So first I am going to remove these screws in order to place the guard. So you will need a Phillips screwdriver in order to remove these screws. Then you have to position this guard on top of these holes, and it should line up automatically. You cannot put it on any other way, so it goes on only one way, and then you have to put the screws in. So it's pretty simple to assemble. Okay, now the guard is in place. An adjustable lock. You can unlock this one, then you can decrease or increase the height. So this is adjustable of this arm, and then you can basically lock it in place, just like that. So after this, you have to assemble the handle on top. This handle has a screw. You have to unscrew this wing nut, and then you have to slide it on top of the column here. So that you can hold it when you are operating it. So basically it should be at a place where it is comfortable for you to hold this. But you can always adjust it after you have assembled it as well. So simply slide in the screw and then put the wing nut on.
Marshall. Marshall!
Yes. Okay.
Oh.
So now we have assembled the handle. And here you can see is the trigger for this corded lawnmower, and here is the plug where you have to plug the AC power input. So I guess this is fully assembled now, and this is the extra piece that they give you. Once this runs out, you can basically replace it with this new reel. And also it has a spare top cover as well, but this comes with the lawnmower assembled. So this is the last piece that needs to be assembled. So there are holes on the sides, and you just have to slide in one hole, pull it apart, and then push it in the other one. Okay, so now this is assembled. Now I will use it on the lawn, and then I will show you how well does it perform.
बेटे देखना जिस तरह किसी ने स्याही बनाई चीज दिलाई ही नहीं.
So this is the plug, and here is the AC power. So this one is a 3-prong socket, whereas the plug is a 2-prong. It doesn't have any ground in it, whereas this cable has a ground in it. So we are going to plug it in now.
Push in 9.
And now you can see this is going to start, and you can hear the sound. How high is the sound? You can hear the sound. Okay, let's cut some grass with it now.
Can you take more?
Okay, so once you start cutting the grass, then the wire might also break at some point. So then you can basically pop off this cover. You just have to push the two tabs which are on these sides from the sides in, and then pull the cover out. So then this wire reel will be exposed. You can basically go in there and release more wire. So you can basically remove this entire reel. You can close it up and remove this entire reel, and now you can see the wire is down here. You can release this wire, and now you can basically push it back out of these holes. And put it back in place. After you have sufficient line on both sides, then basically you can put the cover back on. In case you have too much line coming out, you can rewind this as well. So this can be rewound by just turning it. And I am going to just put the cover back on now. That's it. I have this weeder stick that can be used to pull out the weeds from the ground. So you have to basically align it on the core of the weed, push it down with your foot, and then push it back like this. So the entire weed will come out, all with its root. You can see here. And then this handle, you can push it to release the weed. Now let's try it on the other one. Here. If it is too big, this may not come out easily. Now let's try on this one. And now you can see this weed has come out with all its root. Let's try it on this bigger weed. You can see all the root is out now. So let's try this one now. So it broke from the middle. Let's try the other side. You can see the pull on this is really strong. So the entire weed is breaking up. So now it has broken up, but the root is still in the ground. It looks like the root for this weed was really strong and didn't come out. I will try one more time to see if I can pull the root. No, it's too strong. Yeah, it doesn't come out. But I think all the small weeds like these ones can be taken out pretty easily. I will simply put it in the middle, push it down and pull. So the entire weed is out. Let's try it on this one. Yeah, you can see the entire root basically comes out. And if you have too much mud, then this release may not work easily.